Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about buying and selling Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin can be an intimidating process, but it is actually very simple and straightforward. Today, Bitcoin can be purchased in the same way as anything else with a debit or credit card, or even your bank account. While payment through traditional means is the easiest and can be accomplished quickly, it is also one of the most expensive ways to pay for Bitcoin. There are three primary ways to buy Bitcoin. 1. Buy from an exchange. 2. Use other cryptocurrency to pay for Bitcoin. Or 3. Buy from another person. If you are brand new to Bitcoin and you would like to make your first purchase, we encourage you to use a safe exchange to make the process as easy and smooth as possible. Okay? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so, and follow me and watch my next video on buying Bitcoin at an exchange.